We are innovators, and our mission is to provide a customer experience unparalleled in the world of signage. With instant online pricing, Australian-made products in 24 hours, customer support and design services 12 hours a day, along with round-the-clock manufacturing, we are revolutionising the printing industry. It's time for the Easy Signs experience. Introducing our Teardrop banners. Trying to find that perfect attention grabber to draw in business but haven't had any luck? Dry those tears. Our Teardrop banners are for you. You can find instant pricing with bulk discounts from the comfort of your own home. You can also customise your Teardrop banner to suit your unique requirements, which ensures you receive a product you are happy with. Supplying your print file is easy. You can drag and drop your print-ready artwork to our website. You can have our experienced team lay out a masterpiece for you within 60 minutes, or we make creation simple with our easy-to-use online design tool. You will then receive a link to our revolutionary online proofing centre. If changes are required, our design team will revise in an average of 30 minutes. Otherwise, you can approve the job at any time. Our customer automation technology will then transition your order to our production floor within minutes to ensure our lightning-fast production times are met. Available in a range of different sizes, our Teardrop banners are designed to look perfect each and every time, thanks to our easy tensioning system. We offer a wide variety of bases and a choice of black or white sleeves, as well as the option of single-sided or double-sided print with a blockout layer. Produced at lightning-fast speeds, our Teardrop banners are printed using state-of-the-art dye sublimation machines, ensuring high-quality print as well as vibrant colours. Your Teardrop banners are then sublimated through our heat press to allow the inks to reach their full potential. Expertly hemmed using commercial-grade sewing machines, you can be sure that your Teardrop banner is finished with precision and care. Once your Teardrop banner is complete, we inspect every inch to ensure you receive a product we are proud of, carefully packed and ready to deliver anywhere in Australia. The future of printing has arrived. We've been waiting for you.